Assalamu alaikum, elders, brothers and sisters. Muhammad Soeb live in an area village called as Aladdin, and we have done yesterday also the food parcel distribution, and today we alhamdulillah doing the hygiene kits. As I've told you, on my right and on my left, everything finished. All buildings, all flats, all houses, everything is done. So they are living in tents here. So they really didn't have proper water to drink. Imagine how will they have hygiene products to keep them hygiene, like for example a toothbrush, for example paste, for example soap, for example wet tissues to wipe up their hands. So these are the items normally we have got today, alhamdulillah, for them, and they are really very simple people. They were privileged like us. They had everything in life. Now in 45 seconds they lost everything. So alhamdulillah, we got these hygiene kits, so to give it to them, alhamdulillah, and this contains a lot of items in that which I've already showed in the video. And as you can see, alhamdulillah, we have the whole line with the beneficiaries. These are families who actually have lost everything. So alhamdulillah, we're going to give it to these families here, these hygiene kits, by the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we need your more support on AICTglobal.org so that we can do more and more such hygiene projects here. Because when we did the distribution yesterday of food parcels, what they said is we need hygiene things, we need hygiene products, we need to keep ourselves clean and hygiene. So that's the reason we alhamdulillah with this project here, alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much.